Welcome to Western Hotel. How can I help you, sir?
I want to reserve a banquet for the 10th anniversary of my company. What kind of room do you have?
We have the Plantium Ballroom, a dining garden, and a chanting room. Can I ask about how many guests you expecting?
I think banquet have about let me see about 300 people.
Also, you can choose the Plantium Ballroom, which provides seating for up to 500 members.
Okay, and I have a question. What kind of food, wine, and entertainment available do you provide?
We offer you the option of using our catering service at a discount fee.
Okay, and the last question, I think you have a concern you have about your event.
Uh, you can choose between a cash bar or open bar for your event. Please note if you are providing your own wine, we charge for $10 coffee for per bottle.
Okay, that's all. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Okay.